Hello everyone. We are building Zan, that we would like to call Uber for GPUs. We are trying to address the growing gap between the compute demand and access. In today's world, AI rendering heavy jobs and GPU heavy workloads are growing very rapidly, but affordable GPU access is still limited. Many students, indie creators, and small developers often cannot afford expensive devices and expensive cloud GPU providers. So, rendering large projects, large like Blender files, running heavy AI models on their low spec devices can take hours or even crash their systems entirely. So, where does Zan comes here? Zan turns those idle gaming PCs, those unused GPUs, into a distributed compute network. It gives the developers and creators affordable access to those GPU to power their AI and rendering and heavy workloads. So how does Zan actually work? A client, that is the student or the creator, they submit their jobs, then that job gets into the Redis queue. Then there's a matchmaker worker that keeps looking on the Redis queue for the unassigned jobs, and according to the requirement of the jobs and active of the online of the work agents, it assigns the GPUs to the jobs, and then the job is run inside a safe Docker environment inside the agent, and then it sends back the output, which is given back to the client. Next is what's next for Zan. So one of the first priority is to improve the UX, to make it more convenient for the both side, for the providers to onboard and the client to submit the job. And the other things that we are planning is make a distributed multiple provider rendering faster for larger workloads. Then smart workload splitting and parallel executions across multiple GPUs globally to improve the time. And then SDKs and APIs for developers to integrate decentralized GPU compute directly into their applications. Then to remove centralization, distributed storage layer for rendering outputs, datasets, and execution logs to reduce dependency on the centralized cloud providers. And the last one is a mobile app for providers to monitor GPU status, earnings, and temperatures directly through their phone.